In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Leaders of Learning course from Harvard and how you can become Harvard certified step by step. This is a fantastic opportunity for educators, professionals, and lifelong learners who want to boost their credentials with a globally recognized Harvard certificate. I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides like those. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website by visiting harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is the central platform where Harvard offers its professional and executive education courses online. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses, along with a search option. Take a moment to look around so you're sure you're on the official Harvard site. Next, use the search bar on the page and type in Leaders of Learning. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click directly on the Leaders of Learning course to open the full course page. On this page, you'll find detailed information about what the course covers, who it's designed for, the instructors involved, and the learning outcomes you can expect. Spend a minute reviewing this information so you understand exactly what you're signing up for and how it aligns with your goals. Once you're ready to move forward, scroll down the course page until you see the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. You'll now be asked to either sign in or create an account on the Harvard Online platform. Fill in your personal details carefully, including your name and email address, because these details will later be used for your certificate. After completing your account information, you'll be guided to the payment section. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment securely. Make sure all your details are correct before confirming the payment. Once the payment is successful, you'll gain full access to the Leaders of Learning course content. From here, you can start the course at your own pace, watch the lectures, complete the assignments, and participate in any discussions included in the program. The course is designed to be flexible, so you can fit it around your schedule while still getting a high-quality learning experience from Harvard faculty. As you progress through the course, make sure you complete all required modules and assessments. This is important because successful completion is what qualifies you for the official Harvard certificate. After finishing the course and meeting all the requirements, you'll receive your Harvard certified credential, which you can add to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or professional portfolio. This certification can be a powerful way to demonstrate your commitment to learning and leadership. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access the Leaders of Learning course on Harvard Online and get Harvard certified step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.